What if the reason women overlook you has nothing to do with your appearance or achievements, but everything to do with an invisible psychological signal you're accidentally broadcasting? Welcome back to PsychSeeker. Before we explore this crucial topic, I want you to recall a moment you probably never shared with anyone. That instant you understood you weren't even registering on her awareness, not disliked, not rejected, simply unseen. That hollow sensation in your stomach, that almost tangible burden of questioning why you don't appear to matter in her universe, despite doing everything correctly. If that feeling just resonated within you, take a breath and click like and subscribe, because what I'm about to share will challenge all your assumptions about attraction, and it could potentially transform your existence. You see, most men assume women overlook them because they're not attractive enough, not tall enough, not successful enough, or not captivating enough. But the reality is much more psychological and much more correctable. Women don't overlook the majority of men because those men are insufficient. They overlook them because those men merge into the emotional landscape of a woman's consciousness. There's no psychological impression, no moment that demands her focus, no trigger that activates her instinct to pause and consider whether you hold significance in her world. Most men attempt to gain attention through exertion, but attraction doesn't respond to exertion. It responds to presence, to energy, and to the invisible indicators you transmit without even speaking. And yes, I'll clarify precisely what that signifies. Right now, I want you to observe something vital. The men who get noticed effortlessly aren't pursuing, impressing, or demonstrating. They're not more vocal, stronger, or more self-assured in an obvious manner. They simply embody a grounded sense of identity that generates a magnetic attraction. Women sense it before they comprehend it. It's how a man carries himself, how he listens without attempting to prevail, how he speaks without performing. It's the calm certainty in his voice that indicates he's not seeking approval. He's offering presence. Most men never cultivate this, not because they're incapable, but because nobody ever demonstrated how. Instead, society instructed men to compete, to accomplish, to accumulate, to perform. But women don't respond to performance, they respond to emotional connection. And once you understand how to generate that connection, you cease being overlooked. You become the man who enters a space and alters the atmosphere without effort, the man her mind cannot screen out. And that commences right here with you today. Let me share something most men will never confess. Being overlooked by women isn't about what you possess, it's about what you project. You can have physical fitness, an expensive vehicle, and a prestigious position, and still remain completely unnoticed. Why? Because the signals you're transmitting are faint, confusing, or most detrimentally, desperate. Women unconsciously interpret these signals before you even talk. And if you're radiating neediness, uncertainty, or an absence of presence, you're automatically filtered out. This isn't criticism, it's biology. Attraction represents a detection system that doesn't negotiate. Here's the challenging truth. Most men fail to activate that detection system because they prove too accessible, too predictable, and too focused on approval. Consider this. How frequently have you participated in a discussion only to recognize she appears distracted, almost disengaging while you're speaking, and yet you persist hoping that being courteous, humorous, or charming will alter it? It won't. Courtesy isn't magnetic. Charm without depth isn't magnetic. Exertion without direction isn't magnetic. The women who notice you aren't drawn to your actions, they're drawn to the invisible confidence that supports them. So how do you correct this? First, you must cease attempting to be noticed. Sounds contradictory, correct? But when a man becomes concentrated on being noticed, he becomes reactive, anxious, and predictable. Instead, redirect your focus inward, strengthen your identity, solidify your principles. Pursue passions that fulfill you, not impress her. When you function from that space, something remarkable occurs. Your energy transforms, you stop pursuing attention, and your presence commands it. Second, comprehend the psychology of emotional differentiation. Women become conditioned to notice what stands out emotionally. If every man she encounters proves courteous, agreeable, and predictable, you, who remains calm, grounded, and self-sufficient, will naturally cut through the clutter. You'll become memorable, not because of what you accomplish, but because of how you make her experience. Secure, fascinated, and subtly challenged simultaneously. That's the energy that gets remembered, that penetrates the invisibility barrier, and that makes a woman pause and take notice. This is where most men fail, assuming attraction represents a checklist instead of a feeling. But when you understand that attraction constitutes a psychological response to presence, emotional control, and differentiation, the dynamic changes. It's no longer about attempting harder. It's about being sharper, deeper, and more compelling without even striving. And once you grasp this, you're no longer a man she overlooks. You're the man she cannot stop contemplating. Now let's examine even deeper, because here's where most men completely misinterpret what women seek. You've likely been taught that being confident means displaying, being bold, or controlling a conversation. That's only partial understanding. Authentic confidence, the variety that makes women notice you, proves quiet, measured, and emotionally grounded. It's not loud, it's magnetic. It's the capacity to be fully present in a moment without requiring validation, without performing for approval, without expecting anything reciprocated. Here's an illustration. Imagine you're conversing with a woman, and instead of trying to make her laugh, impress her with anecdotes, or demonstrate your value, you simply listen. Not superficially, not while considering what you'll express next, but genuinely listen. You observe the minute details in her tone, in her expressions, in her energy. You respond subtly, thoughtfully, without over-explaining or overcompensating. That's the kind of presence that's uncommon, and rarity proves irresistibly attractive. Most men remain constantly activated, constantly performing, constantly seeking a reaction. Women overlook those men because their energy proves exhausting, predictable, and emotionally flat. The second key involves emotional unpredictability, but in a grounded manner. Let me clarify. Women become wired to respond to subtle variations in emotional energy. Not mood fluctuations, not drama, but the type of controlled unpredictability that maintains her curiosity engaged. You laugh when appropriate. You speak seriously when significant. You restrain yourself occasionally instead of providing everything immediately. This generates tension, intrigue, and ultimately desire. Men who prove too predictable, too agreeable, become emotionally invisible. Finally, understand the invisible hierarchy of attraction. Women unconsciously assess a man on 3 tiers: physical presence, emotional presence, and social presence. Physical presence proves obvious: your posture, eye contact, vocal tone. Emotional presence runs deeper: your capacity to remain composed, confident, and attuned to energy shifts. Social presence proves subtle: how you interact with your environment, how others respond to you, how you carry yourself without forcing recognition. Master these 3 dimensions, and suddenly you're no longer overlooked. You're no longer part of the backdrop. You're the man who subtly shifts her perception, who registers in her consciousness before she even understands why. And here's the aspect most men never realize. Once you comprehend and internalize this, being overlooked doesn't reflect your deficiencies. It reflects your previous approaches. You don't need to become someone different. You need to become the version of yourself who radiates presence, unpredictability, and emotional intelligence. That transformation remains invisible to most men, but unmistakable to women. And it's precisely what moves you from being overlooked to being unforgettable. Let's discuss a concept that most men completely neglect: the power of scarcity and selective attention. Women become wired to value what feels slightly beyond immediate reach, what demands a moment of mental engagement to capture. When a man proves constantly available, constantly seeking approval, constantly trying to prove his worth, he becomes background static. He becomes one more face in an ocean of alternatives. This explains why being excessively agreeable often backfires. Agreeableness alone doesn't generate desire. It generates familiarity. And familiarity without differentiation proves invisible. Here's the truth. Attraction concerns less about what you accomplish and more about what you reserve. The subtle skill of maintaining your energy, establishing boundaries, and not providing everything immediately represents what triggers emotional engagement. Women notice a man who possesses his own world, who doesn't revolve around her attention. They experience the pull not because of manipulation, but because your independence indicates high value. This isn't arrogance, it's self-respect. It's understanding that your presence doesn't represent a commodity to be earned, but a gift to be acknowledged. Next, let's discuss timing. Women constantly evaluate the pace of connection. Advance too rapidly, and you trigger fear or disinterest. Advance too slowly, and you lose momentum and fade into the background. The men who get overlooked don't comprehend pacing. They either overwhelm with exertion or vanish with indecision. The men who get noticed understand how to calibrate their presence. They generate tension and intrigue by displaying interest selectively, by balancing availability with mystery, by allowing curiosity to perform the work for them. Emotional resonance represents another dimension most men miss. Women feel drawn to emotional depth, not merely charm or confidence. Being able to express subtle vulnerability at the appropriate moment to demonstrate self-awareness and inner strength simultaneously proves magnetic. This differentiates the man she cannot forget from the man she politely tolerates. Emotional resonance represents the invisible signature of attraction. It's subtle, it's unconscious, and it cannot be fabricated. Finally, understand this. Being overlooked rarely proves permanent. It represents a signal, not a judgment. Once you shift your energy, your presence, and your strategy, women's attention follows naturally. It's not about tricks, lines, or manipulation. It's about becoming the type of man whose presence she cannot filter out, whose energy registers before she even speaks. That shift commences with mastery of self, not mastery of her, and that mastery, quiet, grounded, and deliberate, represents precisely what most men never accomplish. Now, let's explore one of the most misunderstood truths about attraction. Women don't develop feelings for what you express. They develop feelings for how you make them experience. Most men concentrate on being humorous, intelligent, or interesting, believing that if they talk sufficiently, if they impress sufficiently, she will notice them. But the reality proves far more subtle and far more powerful. Women constantly scan for emotional indicators. Does this man make me experience security, excitement, curiosity, and understanding? When you can activate these feelings, consciously or unconsciously, you transition from being overlooked to being unforgettable. Here's the key. Emotional impact doesn't demand extravagant gestures. It originates from the small, consistent behaviors that signal presence, confidence, and emotional intelligence. How you maintain eye contact without staring, how you respond with calm authority instead of desperation, how you smile with authenticity rather than forcing charm, all these represent triggers that register deeply in the female subconscious. Women sense it before they analyze it, and once they sense it, they cannot overlook it. Next, consider the power of projection. Women notice men who project a strong sense of identity, even if subtly. This isn't about arrogance, it's about clarity. A man who understands who he represents, what he desires, and how he navigates the world radiates value. He doesn't need to shout, impress, or plead for recognition. That clarity functions like a magnet, pulling attention naturally. The men who get overlooked project uncertainty, indecision, or neediness. Their energy scatters, and women unconsciously filter them out as low priority. Another dimension involves differentiation. Humans, particularly women, become wired to respond to differentiation in emotional and behavioral patterns. If every man she meets behaves similarly, acts predictably, or reacts identically, she filters them out. But when a man demonstrates controlled unpredictability, calm composure paired with subtle assertiveness, light teasing paired with genuine attention, and independence paired with emotional availability, he breaks through the monotony. That represents the distinction between being invisible and being memorable. Finally, understand the emotional economy in operation. Women allocate attention like valuable resources. They prove selective, deliberate, and unconscious about it. The men who capture that attention aren't necessarily the loudest, wealthiest, or most conventionally attractive. They represent the men whose energy, presence, and emotional resonance stand out. By mastering your internal state, controlling your energy, and projecting authenticity without pursuing validation, you position yourself as scarce, valuable, and magnetic. And that represents precisely how you transition from being overlooked to being impossible to ignore. By now, you should start recognizing the pattern. Being overlooked doesn't represent punishment. It reflects how you function unconsciously. Most men exist in reactive mode, constantly pursuing approval, constantly performing, constantly seeking attention, and women unconsciously filter them out. But here's the empowering truth. None of this proves permanent. Every behavior, every energy pattern, every subtle signal can shift. And the moment you comprehend this, you reclaim control over your presence, your influence, and ultimately your attractiveness. Let's summarize it. Step 1 involves presence. Presence represents the invisible gravitational force that makes women notice you. It's grounded, calm, and fully aware without needing to dominate or perform. Step 2 involves energy management. Women unconsciously interpret emotional energy, so learning to control, modulate, and project the appropriate energy generates intrigue. Step 3 involves selective engagement. Availability doesn't equal scarcity. Desperation does. Displaying subtle unpredictability, being engaged yet not consumed by the outcome, triggers curiosity and attention. Step 4 involves emotional resonance, the capacity to subtly influence feelings, making her experience understood, challenged, and secure simultaneously, represents what transforms casual notice into deep interest. And let me emphasize, this doesn't constitute manipulation. It represents self-mastery. When you embody these principles, you cease pursuing attention because your presence commands it. You cease being part of the majority who get overlooked because you now operate on a level that women register instinctively, even before they consciously acknowledge it. Your energy, your composure, and your emotional clarity become magnetic forces. You don't require lines, tricks, or superficial charm. The attraction becomes inherent in how you exist. Here's the final insight most men neglect: consistency. Women notice patterns across time, not isolated moments. Your capacity to maintain calm confidence, emotional depth, and selective engagement consistently generates a narrative in her consciousness. One where you represent a man of value, control, and magnetic presence. Patterns surpass performance in every single instance. So, if you've been overlooked, consider this your guide. Shift your energy, sharpen your presence, and master the emotional signals you project. Cease pursuing her attention and instead cultivate the man she cannot overlook. The outcome isn't merely attraction, it's respect, intrigue, and the undeniable pull that makes her notice you without you even striving. Now, I want you to pause and reflect. Which of these adjustments can you implement today that would make you immediately more magnetic? Share your thoughts below, like this video, and remember to subscribe to Psych Seeker for more psychological insights that will permanently alter how women perceive you. Your presence speaks before your words ever do. Attraction responds to being, not pursuing.